Want to do a reverse image search on Google, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use reverse image search on the Google mobile app. Now let's get started. To do a reverse image search through Google on your smartphone, you'll first need to have the image you want to search with. You can use a photo from your camera roll, a screenshot, or any image you've saved to your device. Open the Google app and tap the camera icon in the search bar. You can snap a photo of something around you by tapping the search icon. Or tap the image icon in the bottom left corner to select an image from your camera roll. Tap the image you want to search with. The app will automatically detect any objects and text in the image to help guide your search. You can drag the corners of the white box around the selected object if you only want to search using a specific part of the image. If you want to add additional text to guide your search query, tap Add to Search and type into the text box. If available, Google's AI will give an overview of what your image appears to contain and any other relevant information. You'll then see visual matches for your image. You can tap the various options in the menu bar to see any exact matches for your image, matching products to shop for, visual matches, or tap About this image to see any information Google can find about the image you've searched for. If you tap AI mode on the left, Gemini will give an AI rundown of any information it can infer about the image you've searched for. If you have questions about any of this, you can type into the Ask Anything text box at the bottom to get more clarification or search further. That's all it takes to use Google Reverse Image Search on your iPhone or Android device. Want to learn how to use the new Circle to Search feature? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.